Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you an unboxing and first look of the Seki Magoroku Redwood Santoku. This will be under the kitchen knife series that I making here my channel just to give you the wide variety of the knives that are available around the world in the kitchen. Since you really like those videos, this will be another entry in the series, and you can check them out in the playlist section if you like. So this I would say is a medium entry for all of you who would like to experience a traditional Japanese made knife and don't want to pay an arm and a leg, because let's face it, the traditional handmade Japanese knives can cost up to few $100s. This production series from Kai is really affordable. You can get them for around 76 euros, depending on the exchange rate. This currently is the same, almost the same as the US dollar, so it will give you a really nice example of what a quality Japanese kitchen knife is. So let me open the box really quickly. Okay, so here we go. We have a nice booklet, originals made in Japan. So in this series you will find 11 different shapes or knives for all sorts of different uses around the kitchen. I choose the Santoku as a first video in this series because it's more the most versatile from all of the shapes. Just really quickly, the word Santoku means three virtues, because this is a all-around, all-purpose knife for the kitchen. It's great for processing meat, fish, and vegetables. Has, as you can see, really nice sheep's foot blade, which curves down to almost a 60 degrees at the point. A really nice presentation box. So as the name says, we have a beautiful stabilized rosewood handle. The blade is semi-mirror polish, so really high polish to give you the best corrosion resistance. This series has a high carbon stainless steel. It is carbon 1K6 with a 58 HRC, so probably really low on the hardness as far as some high-end Japanese knives can go for above 65. Nice logo stamped right there. We have the traditional Japanese wa shaped handle. I would say it is a D shaped handle because you can have octagonal or round, and this is the D shape, so it will facilitate really nice grip. And like I mentioned, the three virtues, the multi-purpose use of the Santoku is it functions great as a slicer, chopper, and dicer. You can scoop up vegetables because it's a really nice wide profile. The center point is right at the tang of the blade. So usually the Japanese style knives you will use for cutting the pinch grip, so like this, and it's a really nice blade. So the length is 17 centimeters. Usually Santokus are from 15 to 20 centimeters, right at the sweet spot with the chef's knives, which are around 20 centimeters, and that is 6.75 inches. The handle is 13.5 centimeters. So let's try to weight the knife. I prepared a scale here. It's a little bit improvised. So that is around 5.11 ounces. So really nice and lightweight. As a contrast, let me show you the comparison between a Western style chef's knife, which is obviously almost double the weight, and even compare it with a almost like a hybrid, I would say, which is the IKEA 365 chef's knife right here. Even this is more. Okay, so as a foray into the Japanese knives, let me tell you that I will try to find more shapes and styles that I will include in my videos. Just for now, I have a couple of Japanese style knives on my channel. As a comparison, here is a Inkyuto style, which is a standard chef's knives, or mostly known in the cutting world. So Santoku is basically slimmer or shorter, and with the more pronounced sheep's foot blade. This part here, the ferrule, is this one made out of plastic. And you have a really nice, robust, high quality cutlery piece. Kai is a well-known Japanese company. For those of you who know, they also own the Kershaw brand, which makes lots of pocket knives that I have featured here on my channel in the past. So one more thing that I would like to mention, so this is a V shape, so some of the more high-end traditional Japanese knives have only a single bevel edge on the knife. This is your standard Western style, so both of them are sharpened. And one more detail that was not mentioned anywhere on the website is the thickness of the blade. So let's see. So we have 2.26 millimeters, and that is 0.1 inch. So this will be an excellent slicer. As for sharpness test, it is redundant, but this is cuts like with no resistance, so it is a scary, I would say, scalpel type sharpness. Out of the box, of course. Okay, so if you would like to have something larger and do not care about the sheep's foot profile, you can also check out the chef's knife, which has the product number of MGR-0200C, and that is a 8 inch or 20 centimeter chef's knives shapes, like I show you here, like this gyuto here, something like this. Okay, so this was the Kai Seki Magoroku series Redwood Santoku. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. Stay tuned for more kitchen knives, chef's knives that I will be releasing here on my channel in the future. Also, if you have any suggestions or would like to know something about the knife or anything else, let me know. I'm more than happy to reply. With that being said, I wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon. Bye.